This session will demonstrate a multi-layer analysis with Saphir. A Saphir file is opened with data preloaded. We start by clicking on the Extract Delta P icon in the Workflow panel. This will trigger the auto extraction process on the last buildup using default parameters. In the Analysis Tools dialog, we change the boundary model to a closed circle. We leave wellbore, reservoir, and well models unchanged. Click on OK. We can now initialize the auto analytical model from the Analysis Tools by holding the Shift key and clicking on the analytical icon in the Workflow panel. Even though the model matches the data and the derivative at early time, this is not the case for the reservoir model in late time. We create a new analysis from nothing and rename it Multilayer Analytical. The input parameters are kept by default and the reservoir type is selected as multilayer. 3 layers and their thicknesses are defined. Click on OK and Next. On the Analysis Tools page, the boundary model is chosen as a closed circle. Click on Finish will create the new Analysis tab. We click on the Extract Delta P icon in the Workflow panel and proceed with the extraction of delta P on the last buildup using default parameters. The log-log plot and semi-log plots are created. Under the Info option located in the main toolbar, we are able to load the layer rates. Select the Layer Rates icon, now available on the Multilayer option. In the new Layer Rates window, we load rates above Layer 2 and rates above Layer 3. Each production is allocated to the corresponding layers. Click on OK to return to the Analysis tab. An analytical model considering the 3 predefined layers is generated. The layer rates plot is created automatically. On this plot, the loaded rates are shown as the simulated rates per layer. The match needs to be improved after early time. We click on the Improve option and select the history plot and check the layer rates to ensure it matches the loaded rate data. We select skin, permeability, and boundary distance for each layer to run the regression. After a few iterations, we obtain a very good match on the log-log, semi-log, and history plot on the rate data. This concludes this Saphir session on multilayer analysis.